So Bianca and I are just getting ready to take the trailer to the tip. But apparently we have a hitchhiker. How did you get in there, Chook Chook? I'm wondering if we're going to find an egg in there. She's only been in there since this morning though, because she was out pecking before we left to go to the markets. Suppose I should try and get you out, shouldn't I? So Chook Chook's down there making her nest nice and comfy, panting away, so I dare say we're about to get another egg. And yes, I am filming this through the floorboards of our deck. Dare say it might be a while yet. Yes, it is very thirsty work, and thank you very much, Chook Chook. No song and dance today, but we did get our goog. Nice job, lady. Good morning, dear lady. What you up to? Hey, Jack, you're being very nice to Chook Chook today, not trying to sniff a bum. Oh, found an egg when I came out for my morning coffee. This one is a guinea fowl, and this one is Chook Chook's from yesterday, just to show you the difference. So one fresh guinea fowl and one Chook Chook goog. And she's normally not this friendly, because we have a feeling the old owner tried to chase her down and sell her off with the other chickens. So she's slowly getting used to us and slowly getting closer. I didn't bring any grain around for you, my dear. I'm very sorry. Yeah, you don't want a pat, do you? Poor old dear. We just got back from a trip down south. Jack got a new present from our visitors. And Chook Chook left us some presents as well. 4 googs for the 4 days we were away. And he's gone Burko.
You showed Dad your new present?
Oh, he's very happy, thank you.
I figured you'd hate picking it out of the grass.
Yeah. So someone has decided they're going to take liberties and become a house chook. Sorry, Chook Chook. No chooks allowed. When we first got here, this little lady wouldn't come anywhere near us. Now, she will quite happily bash her head against my hand to get some grain. So I can't quite pat her as of yet. She's becoming a little bit more friendly. And Jack so much wants to sniff her. She's not quite up for that yet. So there you go. You can have that, Chook Chook. And she's still leaving us a goog every day at the door here in the seat. We've missed 1 day so far, but we were out. So I don't know if she had separation anxiety or a goanna got it. We've finished clearing out the chicken coop. The grass was a wee tad tall to begin with. Took me a couple of attempts to knock all that down. We did find a couple of eggs. Actually, I found a guinea fowl. Then when she moved, I found 8 eggs, and she was sitting on them in this tall grass here. So we rescued them, and we did set up a very makeshift incubator. That's the word.
Yep. It didn't really work. So we found a better one.
We did.
A live one.
An organic one.
An organic one. We now have Chook Chook sitting on 8 eggs at the back door.
This just happened. Chook Chook just got a bit of a surprise. Heard a pop. Oh, Jack, leave it alone, buddy, please. Heard a pop. And an egg has exploded. So I'm thinking we might be trashing all these eggs. She keeps kicking this one out. So I think before we end up with too many smelly eggs around the place, we might have to ditch these, my love. I am very sorry, but boy, does that reek. It's as bad as the one that exploded with the whippersnipper. Oh, I'm so sorry, love. And you grot, come on, inside. Well, Chook Chook is very upset, but we have, yes, decided to toss the eggs. Just tossed the remaining eggs over the fence here, and one of them went pop as it landed. So I definitely think we dodged a bullet. Better luck next time, Chook Chook. So the guinea fowl are checking out the little intruder we had last night, and took Jack out for a whiz and spotted a couple of eyes in the torchlight in the long grass, and it decided to go a baby wallaby in the laneway beside the pig pen, and it stood still a little bit too long and got the hairy culprit, a red fox. Definitely would have made very quick work of Chook Chook sitting on the eggs under the house if it was game enough to come up this close. Considering it came within 50 metres of the house, I dare say, yeah, if opportunity struck, it would have had a crack. One for the bone cage to put over an ant's nest because Bianca wants to try and get a fox skull to add to the collection. How's it going, Chook Chook? Gonna play with Jack's ball? No, Jack, come on, buddy. Leave her alone. Chook Chook is still a single chook, but we will be getting a couple more soon. So to make them feel welcome, I've been working on the makeshift chook pen made out of bits and pieces left by the old owner. It's getting a bit windy, so I'm downing tools at the moment because I'm waiting for Bianca to get home before I put the roof on. Don't like handling tin in the wind, but anyway, we have a floor secured at the back there, and I've used the old dog shed humpy tin for the sides and the back. We have a makeshift door, needs a couple of pop rivets there. This isn't the locking system. That just opens down, and you can get the clamps and the googs from the chook, or the chooks, when they're laid. I've just got some little latches somewhere in the shed that I haven't unpacked yet, so that's why I haven't finished this. But yeah, as soon as Bianca gets home, we'll knock off the rest of this build. Well, there you go. Chook Chook's up to her old tricks, laying on the chair just outside the door, and all of them are over there checking out the new chook house and the new residence. More to come this weekend. So it's the girls' first day out today, and Chook Chook's been over a few times to introduce herself to them, but they're a little bit flighty. Hopefully the three will become very good friends and look after each other. So they got some water outside, but the feed's still up in the cage, and I've got to work out some sort of a feeder for while we go away. And there will be an update before we head off for a day down south, just on Fort Chookington that I mentioned in the last video. There's a link down there. I don't think we're going to get Fort Chookington built in time because we saw another fox last night, so we have to make sure it is definitely fox proof before we go away. So the girls may end up locked up in there just while we're away overnight. Hopefully they'll calm down soon. Not a bad introduction for the first day though. Chook Chook's insistence on roosting outside and not letting us go near her almost cost her her life last night. Had 3 foxes in the yard at the same time. So Chook Chook is a very lucky bird. As you can see, she's lost some tail feathers and she's got some bare skin around the bum, so the fox did not really get into her. She put up a fight. You could hear her go off. Oh, she put up a load of distress calls anyway.
She let us know that.
She let us know, yeah. If we hadn't run out, you can see the bare patch there. If we hadn't run out straight away, the fox wouldn't have let go and bolted.
Jack, the good boy, had scared him as well.
Yeah, Jack chased him straight down the paddock. So we did find a single puncture wound above her right wing, and she's been sprayed with a bacterial spray around that area and also around her bum. Full update coming this weekend. Jack and I are just going to let the chickens out, but I saw something on the ground on the way over here. We have a confused chook that doesn't know where to lay eggs. I didn't see this last night because the sun was down when I came and locked them up. One of those 3 has started to lay again. Decided to do it out here on the grass. Silly wombats. So that's the first goog we've had since the fox attack. Should probably let these ladies out. By the way, folks, we've finally named the girls. This one here is called Marianne. That fluffy thing there is called Ginger. And we all know Chook Chook. So if anyone knows where Ginger and Marianne come from, let us know down in the comments. I dare say quite a number of people will. So I'm in competition with the guinea fowl this afternoon. Will you mob shush? I had a bit of a sneak peek before, and it appears that someone is back on the way. So another goog, aka bumnut, for the kitchen. Sweet.